like earbud ones. I don't like the overhead ones no more. I don't like those because they break. They break. Let's see how I open it. Oh, I'm gonna do it like this. Let me see if there's any other ways. Yeah, it is this. Hold on. Okay, here we go. We opened it. Let me first see, what can this be? Then you got your cables. Ooh. Dang, ooh, you got a pouch. Check that out. So let me unbag these things and come back. So yeah, here are the. These are really replacing the Turtle Beach ones because the let me show you, the tip of it broke off. A little bit broke, it bent, and it's not working no more. So I bought these. I like these more than I like the overhead ones because overhead ones broke. I bought those, and those things break. So you got a microphone that comes with it. Let me see. I think it is. Let me see. I think it's this one where you put the microphone in. Yeah, right there. You put the microphone. I like these better. These type of gaming ear things. And here's the stuff that comes with it. We got to unbox this. So let me do this. Unbox this, and then look, you get a bag, and I'm gonna show you what it what's the name of it, because it don't have a name on it. It just says Bad Browns. That's it. There's like no name or nothing on it. Made in China. So yeah. So hold on. First thing is, you use this, and I'm gonna show you in the back. This is replacing the one that I got in the back, because the other one came with the bigger earphones, but then this can replace it now. This is your microphone that you hook into this. Let me see. Hold on. Is this the one? Yeah, this one. So you hook it into this. You hook it in. And this is a longer one. This microphone is a little bit longer than the other one. Because the other one cost me $20. This is like, no, the Turtle Beach ones cost $20. These cost $29. Because see, these type of things I think should be pushed more on gamers. Let me see. There it go. See, you stick it in. Stick it in like you're a private agent or some stuff. Let me break this down. Wireless headphones, gaming wise, don't work. Because if you're going to have to sit for hours and hours, wireless only lasts for 2 hours. Hour to 2 hours. That's it. That is it. Those are the only time those things last long. It's only wirelessly, they only last for 2 hours. That's about it. So let's go to the back and hook it up. Okay, so you got this, right? So this, like I say, is replacing this. But I'm going to have to take that out, then put this one in. But the thing is, I have to put this, I have to hook this in, but then put the headphones in. So you take that. Boom. Okay, so then you take this, and then you just slide this off if I can. And I can't. Hold on. And then you just put it in. So now you're hooked up. Let me see. See, now they get tangled. These type of things get tangled. And you gotta watch out. You gotta watch out for it, because they get tangled. The only difference with these compared to my Turtle Beach ones, the Turtle Beach one, you can stay, the microphone can stay on. This one is a push button. See, this is a push button. I'll show you. Hold on. Here's the main thing to it. Here we go. See, this right here is push button talk, and this is your this is your volume, and this is push button. The other one was both push button and it will stay on. So yeah, so it would stay on the other one, but the other one, like I said, they broke the tip of it, and when you break the tip of these things, they don't work no more. It's still here, but I gotta snap it off and throw it away. I have to break it because I don't want anybody to get my $20 ones and they can fix it and work it. Shit. So yeah, let me hold on and test this out. Okay, it's time to talk about something right now. You see this? This thing right here? This came off of the headset that I had a long time ago. This is like the gold thing right here. If you gonna have to hook up your headset to this, find something that's, I think this costs a lot right here, this piece, because see, this came with the ones I just bought today. This doesn't sound very good. This piece makes it not sound good. So I've hooked it up and it makes it a lot louder with this piece from my old headphones. So I'm gonna keep it in with this one because it makes it louder, and I think the microphone will be working right. It's gonna be rocking right. So yeah, I don't know how much this type of piece costs. I really could. I bet there's one better than this one out there. So yeah, this is the unboxing of these headphones. Oh, let me go get the name. Hold on. So these are it right here. I don't know how to see it. Kasott something. Battle Buds, in-ear gaming headset. I paid $29, but after certain things, shoot, I'm paying about freaking 20 ducats. They took some money off it. So yeah, I'll put the link in for y'all. But look at those. Yeah, baby. I'm happy.